श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 53 श्लोका 4। उत्तालताली निवहे त्वदुक्त्या बलेन धूतेऽथ बलेन दौर्भ्याम् मृदुः खरः चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात् फलोत्करो धेनुक दानवोऽपि. Word by word meaning. Tvaduktya, at thy words. Balena, by Balarama. Daurbhyam, with both hands. Uttala tali nivahe. Uttala, tall. Tali, palm tree. Nivaha, cluster. When the cluster of tall palm trees Balena, with force, dhute, was shaken, atha, then, mruduhu, soft, ripe, kharaha, cha, and hard, unripe, palotkaraha, bunch of fruits, purastat, in front, abhyapatat, fell, karaha, cha, in the form of a donkey, dhenuka dhanavaha, api. Dhenukasura also, Purastat Abhyapatat, emerged in front. Full meaning. When, at thy suggestion, Balarama shook the cluster of palm trees with both the hands with force, there fell before thee a bunch of ripe and unripe fruits. Dhenukasura, in the form of a donkey, also came before thee then. Om Tat Sat.